Welcome to Analysis Prime University. My name is Michael Quinn, and I am a Senior Analytics Training Consultant with Analysis Prime University. In this tutorial, utilizing the Quick Access tabs, you'll learn how to use the Quick Access tabs to customize your access to content you have created and content shared with you. You'll learn how to add content to your favorites tab, and you'll also learn how to filter content in the Shared with Me tab to improve content searchability and access. From your home page, you will see the 4 quick access tabs: Today, Catalog, Favorites, and Shared with Me. The Today tab is exactly what you're seeing right now, which is a quick view of your home screen. The nice thing is with this tab, if you wanted to move tiles, you could. For example, if you wanted to just grab this tile and move it up here, you can. Or if you wanted to get rid of a tile, you can just delete it. All very, very simple. But that's your default tab, and it contains all of the tiles and the notes that you've pinned. The next tab is the Catalog tab, and this is going to be where you could have a quick view of any content that has been published for users within your SAP tenant. Favorites. The Favorites tab is a way to quickly get to resources that you've chosen as your favorites. So currently you can see there are a couple of favorites listed here, but let's say that I wanted to add other content to my favorites. So I'm going to go over to my files, and if I selected this file here to my favorites, and I go back out to my home page and I refresh, and you can see that it's now on my favorites tab. This last tab, the Shared with Me tab. So this tab lists everything, all of the content and resources that has been shared with you by others. In our training tenant, you can see that there are a lot of items, 86 items to be exact. One of the nice things with this tab is you could filter it. You could first, just if you wanted to alphabetize it, you could alphabetize it. Or if you wanted to sort it by what have I viewed the most, you could do that. I'm going to focus on the Filter tab, and when I click on that filter icon, you will see that it shows me that I have 40 stories, 3 analytic applications, 21 models, 5 data sets, and 17 uploaded files. So if I decided that I only wanted to look at my stories, I would click here, and now this Shared with Me page is sorted by only stories. You can add in more than one, you can add in all of them. It's very, very easy to change your view and to set up whatever kind of a Shared with Me view that you want. And if you don't want to use that at all, you can just clear filters. Once again, in this tutorial, utilizing the Quick Access tabs, we have covered how to use the Quick Access tabs to customize your access to content you have created and content that has been shared with you, how to add content to your favorites tab, and also on the Shared with Me tab, how to filter content within that tab to improve content searchability and access. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, click the like button below. You can also view our growing catalog of self-paced courses, tutorials, webinars, and join the community forum by creating your free account at analysisprimeuniversity.com.